right, so hi everyone, this is Margaret of Article Design. So this is a quick one for you, and I was asked this question, Margaret. I'm building my website on WordPress. I'm doing it on my own, but I have a problem. I don't know what headline or what is the copy that I should put on the upper fold of my website so that my audience or my target market will notice my website. All right. So you and I both know that when you search on Google, a search on YouTube, or whatever search engine you use, there are tons and tons of information from steps 1 to 10, etc. So, all those like keep it succinct, keep it like crystal clear, like KISS, keep it stupidly simple. Yeah, that's true, right? And yeah, guys, we all know that. Well, if you don't know that, it's a common knowledge, especially if you search on Google. But here's the thing: most of us are really overwhelmed by all the information that's given to us. So my role here in article design, especially in A&D letters, which are the newsletter that I'm sending you every Sunday. So the goal of the newsletter is to send you a tactical marketing strategy. Plus, on the side, I also share some self-development or growth or personal growth insights that could help you. All right, I digress. So going back, I'm going to share with you a quick strategy on how to create a compelling website headline. I'm going to show you some of the websites that I have implemented this specific strategy. All right. So forget all the complicated PS that they're telling you about the headlines from step 1 to 10 or from A to Z. So here's a non-technical and easy way to do it and how you understand and how we target the emotions of the client. So, in marketing, you always try to tick the emotions of the client. So remember the D.P.A. So guys, this is not a deep penetrating agent. So D.P.A. is step 1 is to describe what they are getting. So you describe to your target audience or your market what they are exactly getting. All right. So step 2 is you put the user in control. So what does it mean? I'm going to show you a bit. What does it mean when you're putting the user in control? And step 3, the last one, is probably add an urgency. Okay, you add an urgency to your call to action. So this should be specific to your CTA. If you don't know what CTA, that's call to action. All right. All right. So yes. So let's go now to a few of the websites that we have adapted this technique, the D.P.A. So first one, of course, the article and design website. All right. So remember, D is to describe what they are getting. So first, you can add an addition that you call out your target market. So in our case, we called out the freelancers, or in general, aspiring freelancers and existing freelancers. And article design is, of course, made by experienced freelancers like me. So you describe what they're getting. So you never buy another freelancing course again. Oh my God. So if I'm going to subscribe to article design, I'm never going to buy this like shitty and crappy freelancing courses again from these fake gurus or from influencer marketers who are just selling me the idea of freelancing. Okay. So I ranted. All right. I digress again. Going back. So you described what the target market, which are the freelancers, are getting. So if you get this, if you subscribe to Article Design Pro, you're never going to buy another freelancing course again, because everything you need to know and everything you need to learn how to build a 5 to 6 or 7 figure freelancing business is already here. All right. And step 2 is you put the user in control. So you put them in control. So we're telling here, the copy here is, if you're looking for a new and effective way to earn money using your skills, look no further than Article Design Pro. So what is the effect on the user? So I'm in control because I'm looking for something effective, right? Because I'm tired of all this um, um, fakey thingy, clickbaity things that they're telling me. So I'm looking for an effective way on how to earn money. All right. So you put the user in control using my skills in this case and looking further than Article Design Pro. And step 3 is you create an urgency to the call to action. So this is as simple as get access now. So once they click this one, so they go to the membership and they get access now. So there's no time to think because you have described what they're getting. You have put the user in control or the target market, and you told them, okay, what are you going to do next? You get access now, right? So that's one. Next is, okay, let's go to my website, my personal website. So if you don't know yet, I'm a digital marketing strategist and I've been doing it since 2011. So this one is a bit of a unconventional way how I did my website headline. So describe, right? First is describe what they're getting. So getting your business in front of your target audience is hard, right? So I described it's so difficult to actually get in front and center to your target audience. And then P, putting your user in control, but you wanted it to get to the quality audience. But it's kind of harder. I don't know how to do it, Margaret. Okay, because getting to your target audience is quite easy right now because you create ads, paid ads, etc. You put on all those videos on your TikTok or whatsoever. But Margaret, I wanted to put it to quality audience, right? So I'm putting the user in control. And then I told them my expertise solves both. So that's like creating an urgency and get in touch today. All right. So that's your call to action, which has an urgency. All right. So this one, I made like a play on words. Right. So it's up to you how you do that one. So as you can see, it's so simple. I'm just following the 3 steps. Describe, putting your audience in control, and create an urgency to your call to action. And last but not the least, I'm going to share with you one of the business that I created, which is Discover Mount Apo, the only luxury online booking agency or business that caters to climbing Mount Apo. All right, so this one is so effective. This headline here, it is so effective that it helped our sales to like 3 times. All right, to increase 3 times the profit when we change this headline. Because if you check on the Wayback Machine, this is not how our website looks like before. But we implemented the D.P.A, and it has massively increased our traffic and our profit. So this one, so D is describe what they're getting. So booking via papers and going to the company's offices are now things of the past. With Discover Mount Apo, you can schedule your climb easily online and in real time, right? So that's what we're getting, all right? And then you put the user in control. It's just the same. When you schedule your climb easily online and in real time, anybody could do that, like online. You can just by using the internet and clicking, by joining the team DMA, book now and fulfill your adventure. So you put the user in control. Okay, Margaret, yes, I'm gonna get this. I could book my Mount Apo climb by just doing it online. So you're describing what will happen, and at the same time, you're putting user in control, and at the same time, you're putting an urgency to your call to action. So join the team DMA. You have to book now and fulfill your adventure, and book now again. So this one goes to the booking site, right? So guys, it's not overwhelming. It's actually easy. It's direct to the point, straightforward. D.P.A. Describe what they're getting, put the user in control, and add an urgency to your CTA or call to action. And then smile. And that's just me, actually. All right. So I hope you like this, and I hope you understood how you create a compelling website headline, because guys, it only takes you 3 seconds to get the attention of your target audience. So this headline that you put on your websites are very, very crucial. So that's it for me today. So yes, PS, if you like more of these tactical lessons, I share most of the things I know in Article and Design Pro, and we're reopening on January 21st. So you could be a member for only $15 per month. All right. and everything you need to know here as a one person service based business, and everything I've learned since 2011 up to now. Okay, I've shared this. And the goal here is for our members to earn at least $2,000 to $3,000 per month, at least, in doing a service based business. But not only that, inside the A&D Pro, I'm also teaching you how to build an agency if that's what you're going after. Right? So I'll see you in A&D Pro on January 21st. Again, it's only $15 per month. Just go to artisandesign.com and I'll see you inside.